Unfortunately, I missed what just happened because I was uploading the other videos to make some space on my phone. But I got it on the time lapse. Right here, what I'm zooming in on, once again, it's plasma. There was just a giant EMF going through 3 little layers of the plasma that's kind of coagulated into this. Let's go check on how the aerosol plume blowing into East Tucson's doing. Looking strange as hell. Now, what I was saying in that video where I got cut off about the clouds being really low, here, look at this. They didn't used to do that. They used to always stay above the mountain, but it seems like clouds just keep getting lower and lower and lower. When they try to make these low pressure systems, it's real low. Oh yeah, the plasma amorphous blob over here. Let's see how that's doing. Still looking like an amorphous blob. Look how low these clouds are. Christ, you could probably jump up and grab it. And notice how bright these clouds are. It's probably because the geoengineers have implemented cloud brightening. With all the metallic aerosols in it, it would make sense as to why they're so bright and reflective now. They're trying to reflect the sunlight according to them. And I don't know if it's working too well, other than making them extremely bright. If they were trying to make the cloud real bright, they've done a great job. I'll stay out here for a little bit and make sure that nothing too weird happens without catching it on video. I noticed an EMF right now going through this, just to prove that there really was EMF going through this, and that's kind of how they formed. I don't know what that is on the bottom. The white part, it's like a purplish color. But it was literally completely clouded up an hour ago, and as soon as you started to see the EMF go through the sky, it all cleared up. Well, it's not completely cleared up, but it's going to be, and it was pretty fast in my opinion. Just another day of scheduled rain. Trying not to record these kids walking home because I'm pretty sure they don't want to be in my video. Look at this. It looks really weird. I say that a lot, but I mean, it does look really weird. You can see some more EMF going through there. A little bit right there. Exposure down to see what's going on in the sun. It's too bright. Yeah, if I see anything else, I'll make another video.